Summers are here, so it's time to treat yourself with this delicious, creamy and healthy drink known as Piyush. Let's get started. To begin with, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Next, I'm adding 10 to 12 strands of saffron to it. Mix it and keep it aside. Now, I'm taking 4 cardamom pods and crushing them to make powder. Next, in a bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of buttermilk, three tablespoons of powdered sugar. What makes Piyush different from Lassi is the addition of Shrikhand. I'm adding half a cup of this, which makes it sweeter and thicker. Half teaspoon of cardamom powder and 2 tablespoons of saffron milk. Now I'm using a wooden muddler to mix this. This helps to make sure that all our ingredients are mixed properly. Here I'm taking half a piece of nutmeg and grating it. Mix it again. Now I'm keeping this mixture in the fridge for 2 hours. Once it's chilled properly, I'm pouring this in a jar. Time to serve the Piyush. Garnish it with some slivered almonds, pistas, and a few saffron strands. Enjoy this quick, simple and yet delicious cold beverage with your family. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.